Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the Canon RF24-105mm f2.8 LIS USM lens, a versatile and high-performance zoom lens designed for Canon's RF mount mirrorless cameras. With its broad focal range, constant aperture, and advanced features, this lens is perfect for a wide range of photography and videography applications. Let's explore what makes the Canon RF24-105mm f2.8 LIS USM lens stand out. Design and build quality. The Canon RF24-105mm f2.8 LIS USM lens features a robust and professional design, characteristic of Canon's L-series lenses. Built with high-quality materials, the lens is both durable and weather-sealed, ensuring it can withstand challenging shooting conditions. Its sleek design and solid construction make it a reliable choice for professional photographers and videographers. The lens includes a customizable control ring, which allows for quick adjustments of various settings such as aperture, shutter speed, and ISO. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, even during extended shooting sessions. Optical performance. At the core of the Canon RF24-105mm f2.8 LIS USM lens is a sophisticated optical design that delivers exceptional image quality across the entire zoom range. The lens features a constant maximum aperture of f2.8, providing excellent low-light performance and shallow depth of field for creative effects. This constant aperture ensures consistent exposure settings when zooming, making it ideal for both photography and video. The lens construction includes advanced optical elements such as a spherical and UD, ultra-low dispersion elements, which minimize chromatic aberrations and distortions. Canon's air sphere coating further reduces ghosting and flare, ensuring clear and sharp images with high contrast and accurate color reproduction. Performance. The Canon RF24-105mm f2.8 LIS USM lens excels in performance, offering fast and accurate autofocus powered by Canon's Nano USM ultrasonic motor technology. This provides smooth and silent focusing, making it perfect for video recording as well as still photography. The lens's advanced optical image stabilization, IS, offers up to 5 stops of shake correction, ensuring sharp images even in low light conditions or when shooting handheld. The wide focal range of 24 to 105 millimeters covers everything from wide-angle landscapes to medium telephoto portraits, providing versatility for various shooting scenarios. Whether you're capturing expansive vistas, intimate portraits, or dynamic street scenes, this lens delivers outstanding results. Usability and controls. The Canon RF24-105mm f2.8 LIS USM lens is designed with user-friendliness in mind. The lens features a focus ring and a zoom ring, both of which are smooth and precise, allowing for easy and accurate adjustments. The customizable control ring adds an extra layer of functionality, letting you tailor the lens to your shooting style. The lens markings are clear and easy to read, ensuring quick and accurate setting adjustments. The lens's compact and lightweight design, despite its advanced features, makes it easy to carry and handle, whether you're shooting in the studio or on location. Compatibility and features. The Canon RF24-105mm f2.8 LIS USM lens is designed for use with Canon's RF mount full-frame mirrorless cameras, such as the EOS R5 and R6. Its advanced features and versatile focal range make it suitable for a wide range of applications, from landscape and portrait photography to event and travel photography. The lens's built-in image stabilization works seamlessly with Canon's in-body image stabilization, IBIS, found in compatible cameras, providing enhanced stability for both stills and video. The combination of IS and IBIS ensures that you can achieve steady shots even in challenging conditions. Price and value. The Canon RF24-105mm f2.8 LIS USM lens is positioned as a premium, versatile zoom lens within Canon's RF lens lineup. While it represents a significant investment, its exceptional optical quality, versatile focal range, and advanced features make it a valuable addition to any photographer's or videographer's kit. The lens offers excellent value for those looking to achieve high-quality results across a wide range of shooting scenarios. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Canon RF24-105mm f2.8 LIS USM lens is an outstanding, versatile zoom lens that delivers exceptional performance and image quality. Its constant f2.8 aperture, advanced image stabilization, and professional build quality make it a top choice for photographers and videographers alike. If you found this review helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.